among local investors. Here at Forest Lake, we have made it easier for everyone to invest through our customer portal page. Purchasing a lot is easy once you've registered to the portal. Follow these 4 steps to help you get a lot. Log in your account and go to Purchase Lot online. We have an interactive map of our over 30 parks nationwide. Find a memorial park located in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Choose which sector and lot you wish to purchase. Available lots are indicated with a green color. Now that you've decided, click on Book. Here are 4 easy steps to purchasing a lot. Step 1. Lot information and payment terms. Click this box if you have an agent and input their agent ID number. Once validated, choose the most convenient payment term for you and click Next. Step 2. Personal information summary. Verify your personal information and click Next. Step 3. Accept and agree to our policy. Read and accept our terms and policy and click Next. Step 4. Payment selection. Check your transaction summary. You may even add an advance payment to your purchase. Click on your preferred payment gateway. Are you going to pay using your credit or debit card? Select Peso Pay. How to pay using Peso Pay. 1. Choose between Visa or MasterCard. 2. Enter card information. Click Submit. Congratulations! You have now successfully purchased a Forest Lake lot. You will receive the transaction confirmation through your registered email or mobile number. Whether for personal use or an investment for the future, Forest Lake is definitely a worthwhile investment. Like any other real estate, you will benefit from high appreciation value, making it a smart and practical investment. Being a Forest Lake lot owner gives you convenience in managing your investments, while offering peace of mind and a secured future. For inquiries, email us at customerportal@forestlakeparks.com or contact our branch office. Sign up now and start enjoying a better online experience with Forest Lake. Visit forestlakememorialparks.com and follow our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Okay, there you go. Yun po yung ating explainer video for the purchase lot online. So, isa-isa rin naman natin, step by step, paano tayo gagawa. And transact online using the customer portal. So, ito po, how to purchase online, how to purchase a lot. So, dito po tayo. Let's click on purchase lot online. So, you will be directed to this page. To purchase a lot or to choose a lot in